Just wanted to point this out that all of the Rockin' Roadsters have their coats on right now.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain.
We decided to put our house up for sale.
They were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
Skyla quit her job.
I quit my job. It was hard.
I've changed for the better this time.
Sold our house.
I thought I would never.
So you're probably wondering, where are we moving to?
I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright.
Hey everyone, we are going to Disney California Adventure today. It is very rainy out and hopefully that means less crowds but more fun for us. So come along as the GPS tells us where we're going.
We are prepared today, as you can see, with our Disney rain gear attire, and I'm trying to navigate Southern California traffic in the rain, which is not something that happens very often down here. People are spun out. It's been kind of a crazy ride, but we're gonna get there and we're gonna ride rides, and we're hoping this weather detours everyone from going today, because there are several indoor rides that will not be affected. They have the Food and Wine Festival, I believe, going on, or the Festival of the Holidays, which is similar to the Food and Wine Festival, I believe. The food vendor options that they normally don't have. So we're excited to try different foods, ride some rides, and hopefully, again, it's a slower day today because of the rain. Okay, do we want to do like Soarin', or do we want to do, what do we want to do?
Indoor rides are going to be flushed. Like, they're all going to be...
Well, all indoor rides are the only ones going to be open, so.
Well, what's the wait time for Soarin'? Did you check?
Before we got here, it was like 5 minutes. I don't know what it is
Okay,
now.
well, we can put that one.
5 minutes?
Yeah, I don't know what it is now because more people are coming in, but I just know if we can probably in the next hour hammer out a bunch of rides.
Oh, you're not with them? No. Okay. You guys are with them, right?
It's us, yeah.
Three. My row three, please. Row three. How many here? My row
This is really cool.
What?
I just like walking into Adventure Campus.
Yeah, isn't it cool?
It just looks really cool.
Yeah, it's awesome. The way they did this is really cool. All right, now we're heading to get some breakfast at Pim's Test Kitchen because we're hungry.
Pretzels and French toast there.
I don't know if the French toast is a giant though, is it?
It is. It's like this. It's like a giant strip of French toast.
Nice. Okay. What do you got?
I told you it's gonna be huge.
Except for that, what is that?
It's a mini egg and a mini pork.
Tiny.
Look at this thing. Delicious.
That is pretty big though.
It's screaming my name on it.
And then you got some tater tots.
I don't know if those are mine.
And I got some bread. Oh, those might be Mom's actually. Hey guys, so we just ate breakfast. We are heading over to Toy Story Midway Mania right now. Most of the rides are actually closed down today, or at least the outdoor rides are closed down, which is to be expected because of it raining. The indoor ones, some of them don't have very long lines, so that's what we're going to go ahead and hit up, is the ones that are indoors. And it was only showing a 5-minute wait, which is not normal at all for that ride, so we're hoping to get over there and give it a try, see if it's actually a 5-minute wait. Just wanted to point this out that all of the Rockin' Roadsters have their coats on right now, because they are not rocking and dancing today because of the rain. Might be, look, a tree fell down in the rain, in the storm. No Radiator Springs racers racing right now. Not in the rain. It looks like the Wheel of Death is open today. So Mikey and I are going to try this for the first time. We've never been on the Wheel of Death before, but we're going to try a stationary car so that we kind of ease our way in. Eventually we might do one of the moving ones, but for now we're just going to do the stationary one, and I bet we'll get a lot of good footage. All right, thank you. Actually, I don't know the name of it, but Jory on the announcements calls it the wheel thingy, I think what she said. So I don't think that's the name either.
Well, we're on the wheel thing. I don't know.
Okay, let's see if we can see Mom out there.
Oh, there she is.
There she is.
Don't know if you can see, but there, right there. A little dot on the edge. All right, look at that view. Oh, there's Galaxy's Edge, but can you see the Millennium Falcon taking off? No? Oh, what a shame. That is awesome. There's Adventures Campus. There's the Cars Land. Pixar Pier is where we are currently. Oh, and then in the distance, the very far distance, you can see Disneyland. One of the main parks in this area.
We're gonna do Little Mermaid.
I'm right in with you.
Okay. And me and Mike go right together.
First, Ariel fell in love with a
I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty.
I'm rocking up the blackfish. Now the ugly fish is happy.
Now rings us glossitis and next laryngitis, not dolce to me.
A lot to say, there's something about her.
She ain't a mermaid no more. She's a pretzel nipple.
It was so good to see you. We hope you had a wonderful time.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mile, pushing.
Beyond this hall, a room of books and mirrors that can change your looks, where characters from A to Z reflect your personality.
You are very moody, but your ability to plan ahead is to die for. When it comes to rotten ideas about changing the world, you have a lion's share. You are most like Scrub. There you are dedicated and responsible. Your sense of duty empowers you to get the job done, even when life stretches you to your limits. You are most like, this is incredible. There you have it. Incredibly energetic, though rather full of yourself. You get a thrill out of always taking charge and showing off your cape. You are most like Syndrome.
Oh.
There you have it.
What rides were closed and what rides were open? Starting with Cars Land, all of those rides were closed, as you can tell in the picture in the background there. Goofy's Sky School, Incredicoaster, and Jesse's Critter Carousel were also closed. Jumpin' Jellyfish, Grizzly River Run, and the Inside Out Emotional Whirlwind were also closed due to the rain. Rides that were open during the rain: Guardians of the Galaxy, Little Mermaid, and Monsters, Inc. were open. Pixar Pal Around, aka the Wheel of Death, as you've seen earlier in the video. The Red Car Trolley and Soarin' were all open. Toy Story Midway Mania and Web Slings were open, but with very long waits from what we could tell. The Golden Zephyr and the Silly Symphony Swings were also open, as you can see in that clip. In summary, there are many rides and non-ride experiences open during the rain.
So hey guys, we just spent half the day at Disney California Adventure. We got wet, it was raining a lot. The sun is now coming out as we are leaving. We had a great day, so stay tuned for our next video. Bye guys.
Thanks. Like, subscribe, press bell buttons, and if you don't like us, then still like and subscribe. Anyways, out of pity for us. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.